कहाँ विच लुढ़ के रह गया पक्का दिते ताने तेरे हंस से गया तार गौरी शंकर गिरिजा धनपद्मदि गौरी शंकर भूषण दिया बस तेरा
ब्लॉक करेगी इतने नए अकाउंट बना के बाप के पैसे
Yes, sir. मैंने लिए भाई. I took a short. So my idea of shorts were from this monthly wick. Consequent encroachment there. So that's our premium monthly wick consequent encroachment, right? So I took a short from there. Give it blue. Let's give it this. So, oh wow, on NQ it didn't even reach it, but on MNQ it did. So that's fucked up. The fuck? It's right here. अरे बहन चोद, ये क्या है फिर? ये क्या लगा है? ये तो वो ही है भाई. ये भी तो वही है. So yeah man, on MNQ it reached the monthly wick here. Yeah, and then I went short right here, and which I got stopped out. So I was thinking कि Jolt का news is gonna send price lower. Actually, also why? Because we were inside this new week opening gap, right? So it's like some people are saying it's a pattern trade. I don't think so. My trades were pretty valid. अभी अगर देखना है, so see again on the NQ chart, the monthly wick just got reached. So I'll be watching this area. अभी sell side पड़ा है इधर भी sell side पड़ा है, sell side पड़ा है. If they want to attack them, right? But I'm out of my trades. Like I've fucking मेरा हो गया. I'm done actually because I took a loss, especially coming back. मैंने तो कल कहा ही था भाई. I mean, it's like I know कि मैं क्या करने वाला अगले दिन. हाँ बढ़िया भाई. अगर नई शॉट किया तो बढ़िया. But again, bro, I was not aiming for too much, right? Because first presentation 9:30 candle. If you consider it 9:30, I would consider it 9:30 because we closed here. We opened about relatively equal highs, right? इधर भी कोई buy side. See again, we opened about the buy side. Like नहीं, yeah, opened about buy side here. That's pretty confusing. Thanks, man. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that. But again, bhai, see, trading and being knowledgeable in ICT is a very different thing. That's where people get confused. People think कि concept सीख गए, that means that trading is also gonna become tip top. But ऐसा नहीं है. Trading and learning the concepts are a very different thing. Right? Trading में भाई, I can literally tell it might attack this sell side here, this sell side here, this sell side here. This could be high, highest session or maybe the higher this hour or something. But am I trading with that? No, right? Because I've already pushed my buttons because I had an idea in my head that was to go short here, put my stops there, and I was actually aiming for, let's say this or maybe the 9:30 first presentation, right? Agar idhar मैं stop out ho gaya, now if you're gonna bring your knowledge here, you can see that we're inside this monthly wicks consequent encroachment. अगर मैं उसके quadrants भी अगर mark कर दूँ, right? इधर मैं, let me give just mark its quadrants so थोड़ा और clear. 25, 75, 0 and 1, right? So अगर हम वो उसके quadrants देखें, अरे किधर चला गया बहनचोद. Oh, it's here. So I'm gonna put levels, price levels. I'm gonna get you right middle. Okay, so that's the 50%, right? So what was the point that I was gonna make? Well, the point I was gonna make was that it's very different. कि हम ऐसे, we don't push all the time. That's the point I was trying to make. Bro, RTH is, you go to here, right? And bro, they act as magnet for price. For example, we have a premium opening range gap. I was anticipating a return back into the opening range gap, but mila nahi. Again, because the gap is, again, I fucked up there, right? 320 handle ka gap hai. You don't expect it to fill it, right? So you just expect it ki upper quadrant पर रहे फिर जाए. Again, मैं upper quadrant भी aim कर सकता था. But none of that shit worked out because especially we were coming from a what? We've taken relatively equal highs, right? We've taken, this is the buy side that I called yesterday. So we did take relatively equal highs. We did stop out the profitable unprofitable short positions. Then what I was expecting was once we got stopped out there, maybe this run could maybe take out here. But again, majorly. बढ़िया भाई वेब टेस्ट लगा कैसे हो भाई. बढ़िया ब्रो. अगेन डिक्सी इज बेयरिश. यहाँ अगर एनक्यू पर देखो तो देयर इज नथिंग. It's just कि I couldn't read it right because we have a lot of opening range gaps here. So see how Wednesday's opening range gap was used here, here, failed to get here. That's where I was shorted. I want to see it come back into it. Again, attack these relative equal lows here. अब मिला नहीं, अब क्या करेंगे, right? कुछ नहीं. You just fucking lock out and you fucking walk away. Again, इधर relative equal lows पड़े थे. ये relative equal. देख रहे हो. So usually we would have just ripped up here. That give us a continuation. But again, वही भाई, that the problem यही है कि भाई ES has fully switched to all time highs. अगर ये देखो ES तो भाई and should it has formed a new all time high on ES, on S&P 500 officially. It has formed a new fucking all time highs, which I already called. They could run it up higher, है ना? My lab, this is the volume balance I called. So yeah, I was thinking कि भाई ES पर अगर उठा ली all time highs तो maybe I could go short. बट उसके ऑल टाइम हाइस, अभी ऑल टाइम हाइस उठाई है. अब देखना पड़ेगा कि एन क्यू करती क्या है. फिर अगेन ये मार्च दी पड़ी है ब्रो. इट्स जस्ट एक्सपैंडिंग टुवर्ड्स वन डायरेक्शन. वहाँ आप अगर एक या दो लॉस लेते हो बस बंद करके चले जाओ भाई. इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. फक इट. हु गिव्स अ फक मैन. आज के पैसे से तो कुछ होने वाला नहीं है एनीवेज.
Being alive.
भाई if not shorts अपन लोग वो बाई साइड के लिए टारगेट कर सकते हैं after 9:30 but sell in entry भाई 9:30 के बाद तो भाई इधर you could have bought this FEG here but you have to predict कि it's gonna go higher. That's the only part. You could have bought this here, this down close here, but वही भाई it's when it's too far extended up, you never know when they're gonna run it up lower. That one time when you take a long and deep premium, they're gonna run it up lower, right? Then I wanted to be that lower run because that was my fucking idea. Because लोग सोचेंगे कि सब long करो. But again, आज retailers जीत रहे भाई. आज तो retailers जीत रहे bro. अच्छा, माँ की चूत ईरान की. Fuck. Fuck. Anyway, it is what it is, man. एक दिन का loss से तो कुछ होता नहीं है. Fuck it. क्या हो जाएगा? Nothing buddy. Chill out. एक मुलाकात हो मेरे पास हो जी. So again, what is our first presentation? You could consider 9:30 our first presentation because we opened about relatively equal highs here, closed here, opened above relatively equal highs. So I think 9:30 could be the first presentation, technically. So this becomes our first presentation right there, right? Okay, that's our first presentation. और उसके नीचे हमारा opening range क्या पे पड़ा है. But again, now it's 10:30. Now it's too far up. Now if you're anticipating a reversal चुदेगी भाई. So it's better कि भाई आप बंद करके चले जाओ. Long from 5:45 just now. Let's tape read this guy's trade. Okay. From 5:45 he's long. That means at this fair value gap. Where's your stop, buddy? Where's your stop? Anshuman. Anshuman Sharma. Stop किधर है भाई? Most likely ये लो ऊपर होगा, है ना? I think ऊपर हमारे पास क्या पड़ा है? Buy side पड़ा है, I guess. Also we are inside this daily inversion. ठीक है? Now that's where the guy has gone short. I mean long. What are the chances of you longing in deep premium and getting your ass wrecked? What do you think about that? 5:35 पे था गया. क्या? 5:35 पे था. भाई ये क्या स्टॉप लगाया भाई? 10 हैंडल का स्टॉप क्या करने के लिए ब्रो? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग मैन? 10 हैंडल का स्टॉप? रियली? नाउ यू ट्रेडिंग फॉर मनी ब्रदर? इतना क्या? व्हाट वर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग कि बैन शुड ऐसे ही चले जाएगा? 10 हैंडल भी नहीं मूव करेगा ड्रॉ डाउन पर अगेन. व्हाट इफ दिस मूव्स इनटू योर फेवर? व्हाट इफ इट मूव्स इनटू योर फकिंग फेवर मैन? व्हिच आई डोंट थिंक इट विल. तो बंदा थोड़ा संकी है. See, again, you're shorting at the premium inside this daily high time frame inversion. तो मेरे को थोड़ा काम करना है भाई. लेट मी इसको मैं थोड़ा अच्छा क्लियर करता हूँ बिकॉज आई नीड NQ हियर. ये कल का है राइट. इसको हटाओ इसको हटाओ इसको हटाओ इसको हटाओ इसको हटाओ. कल तो बढ़िया लॉन्ग्स मिले थे भाई. इसको हटाओ इसको हटाओ इसको भी हटाओ. अब हम इसमें देखते हैं डेली. तो आई सेड दिस पूल ऑफ बाई साइड इनसाइड द डेली इनएफिशिएंसी. देखा कि हमने we've already disrespected all the fucking bearish PD arrays जो बन रहे थे. हम थोड़ा थोड़ा भी retraced but then we got fucked up. So I don't think this shit's gonna retrace at all. मेरे को नहीं लग रहा bro. That's a daily CB, right? Usually man, I'll be honest, daily CB, ठीक है? हमारे पास ये buy side था इधर, right? So this was the buy side inside the daily CB. So once this bullshit was taken, you would have anticipated a short, but मिला नहीं. Again, you don't run the markets, right? I don't run the markets. वहाँ पे फोन लेवल था डेली विक का 3 जुलाई 05. एक डाउट पूछना था. 2 मई का पीए था. तो एक मिनट भाई, जुलाई 15th वीक consequent encroachment. Yeah, consequent encroachment, but how did you go long in the premium? That's the question, bro. That's the question. I know that this is the wick you're talking about. Right, उसके उस पे अगर आप long कर रहे हो, then you're anticipating कि yeah, I mean, it has to be in a certain buy program though. Certainly it has to be in a buy program. If that's a gamble you're willing to take, then yeah, of course. Go ahead and log it up with a 22-second make up ये था. अरे बहन चो इतना पुराना पी है. What the hell, अभी भी इतना पुराना? Why man? पूछो भाई, पूछो bro. तुम बनो बन के तो रहबर मुझको मिला है एक मुलाकात जरूरी है जरूरी.
This might be the हम सब लड़कों का एक ख्वाब रहता है. This is where मम्मी के लिए मैंने जरूर था.
अनफिल्ड. क्या अनफिल्ड है भाई? क्या है भाई? आईडी है आई गेस. आईडी है आई गेस ब्रो. अब क्या करे, अब तो लहरा बना के जा रहा है. पर जस्ट लेट इट गो ब्रदर, लेट इट गो. कोई बात नहीं. ये सब भाई इंटेल है कल के लिए. इंटेल है भाई, ये सब इंटेल है. ये सब ब्रेकअवे गया फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन है. अगर ओवरनाइट कुछ बनता है, ये सब इंटेल है. अगर ओवरनाइट कुछ नहीं बनता है, दैट मींस वी आर स्टिल स्ट्रांग. दैट मींस हम कल करेंगे लॉन्ग. सब इंटेल है भाई, सब इंटेल है ब्रो. ओ भाई गिर ही जाए भाई. एंड आई विश टू बी इन दैट शॉट ऑन माय लाइव अकाउंट. मैं तो टेक प्रॉफिट भी नहीं लगाऊंगा. हा फक सेक. गुड लिटिल मार्केट मेकर बाय मॉडल है. I draw some deviations from the first distribution leg. Oh wow, just completed a whole ass. Again, यहाँ पहुंच कर see again my shots were not bullshit, right? ये मैं अभी देख रहा हूँ. But again, ये I was anticipating कि पूरा complete करे. Where 950 which इसके अंदर आई -4 और -3.5 के. And then I was looking for shots. फिर अगर मंडे, ओके लेट मी शो यू अ कपल ऑफ फ्यू थिंग्स टू. न्यू वीक ओपनिंग गैप के भी आप स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशंस निकाल सकते हो, विच वाज हिट हियर. ओके, अगर ऐसे भी करना चाहो तो वैसे भी कर सकते हो, बिकॉज दैट्स द इधर ही है राइट. -2 was reached here, -4 and -3.5 is above somewhere around here, which it got hit. ठीक है, it got hit. Now you're gonna watch price कि अब करना क्या चाहती है. If it wants to retrace a little lower is what I'm interested in personally, but I won't be executing because मेरा तो हो गया भाई. मैंने एक लॉस लिया बाहर की जूत मेरा तो भाई. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल भाई, मैं सो रहा था आज राइट. सुबह 5 o'clock और सम शिट मेरे देयर इज अ टेबल बिसाइड माय बेड राइट. तो आई हैव दिस बिग एस टम्बलर जिसमें मैं, इट्स लाइक अ 2 liter टम्बलर, स्टील का है विद स्ट्रॉ एंड और उसमें मैं फिल्ड वाटर. मैं सो रहा था, क्या बहनचोद क्या वो मेरे को पता नहीं. दैट शिट फेल ऑन माय राइट आईब्रो, सीधा सर पर. ओ बहनचोद मेरा आंख बंद है, मेरे को दर्द कर रहा है भाई नींद में. एंड आई एम लाइक व्हाट द फक, बहुत दर्द किया ब्रो. एंड आई एम लाइक मैं सो रहा राइट. मैंने अरे बहनचोद. फिर इन अ वाइल मैं ऐसा आवाज करके बहनचोद मैं सो गया राइट. एंड आई वोक अप थोड़ा लेट 9:25 को. अरे बहनचोद मेरे को 9:30 को भाई ट्रेड करना है भाई. फिर मेरे को हगने आया. आई वेंट टू टेक अ शिट राइट. फिर आई वेंट टू द वॉशरूम, आई लुक्ड एट माय आईब्रो, बहनचोद खून पड़ा है. एंड आई एम लाइक ये क्या हो गया बहनचोद. फिर आई वाज लुकिंग एट इट, अभी भी भाई देयर इज लाइक अ लिटिल ब्लड क्लॉट ऑन माय आईब्रो. ये क्या हो गया भाई, ये सब कैसे हो जाता है भाई. नींद में वो सीधा गिर गई भाई. फक, बहुत दर्द किया बहनचोद. तभी पता लग गया भाई आज लॉस लेने वाला. पूछो भाई, पूछो भाई, पूछो भाई. मैं 28 वाले पूछो भाई. 22nd कर ही देते क्लियर. See, अगर NQ पर देखोगे यहाँ clustering of new week opening gaps है. Again, clustering of new week opening gaps. So what does clustering of new week opening gaps? It's going to act like a magnet. क्या मेरा मैसेज गायब हो रहा है? नहीं गायब हो रहा है भाई. ओ यू आर द, अरे भाई इंस्टा पर हो आप? I have no idea, brother. Uh, my indicator name is this one, bro. This is my only favorite new week indicator. Kryptonite का है. Kryptonite का. ठीक है? That's the only shit I use. Don't call me an indicator trader. I'ma fuck your ass up. I'ma fuck you up. Now you're gonna watch this. Okay? You are gonna keep a close watch on that. The dirty markings are from his own show. You can please the first version of the first one and the second. Why not the first one and the second? The 15-minute FVG was tiny. Probably the time of day, bro. मेरी एक्शन कैसे सीखूं? अरे ना बता दो ना यार. हाँ हाँ भाई, मार्केट में अगर बाई मॉडल ही था भाई. Obviously brother. Obviously brother. Obviously man. पता तो है भाई. मेरे से पूछ गया. पता तो है. हेलो. ये सेल साइड में की चूत भाई. ये सेल साइड देखो भाई मेरे को. फक. What the fuck is ES doing? देखो भाई, ES all time highs nigga. All time highs nigga. ES पर भी बहुत relatively को lows थे भाई. ये सब देख रहा था मैं. अब क्या ही करे. It is what it is, boys. It is what it is. It is what it is. My number one recommendation is always going to be Lucid. No affiliations until now. Until now. जल्दी affiliate भी बन जाऊंगा. Until now. एक मुलाकात हो. Flex भाई. Flex ले लो भाई. Around his body, it's a fucking homicide. Body dropped down to the floor and he got teardrops in his eyes. बहुत boring है भाई. There's nothing happening on the PA भाई. I wish I could have just skipped this loss man. कर ही लेता भाई. But it's okay. What is done is done. हम past के बारे में सोच कर रोते नहीं है. Especially when you're a fucking trader. Especially when you're a bloody trader. You don't cry about the past or you don't worry about the future. You just stay here in the present moment right here. The truth is that if you've taken a stop out, you've taken a stop out. That is the absolute truth with a capital T, right? Whatever your mind says after that is bullshit. So stop out हो गया भाई बस. That's the absolute truth. Isn't there freedom there? मेरे को तो बहुत freedom लग रहा है. हाँ भाई stop out हो गया भाई, अब क्या करूँ? हो गया बहन चोद stop out. इंडिया से हाँ 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 भाई इंडिया से बाहर है. जवानी तेरा गोरा गोरा रंग नी गोरा गोरा रंग करे तंग नी गोरी वेनी विच गोरी विनी विच लोड़ा चुन ते बने ला मुंडे आते जानते बने. But if I was not a trader, I would have either been a rapper or I would have been a singer. I swear to God. Ah, that kid over, right? The 15-year-old fucking kid you are, right? याद है बहन चोद मेरे को. मेरी आवाज कम आ रही है क्या? हेलो हेलो माँ की चूत, हेलो सुन रहा है? हेलो 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 सब तो तेज ही है भाई. हेलो हेलो हाँ अब ठीक है शायद. Let's do some गाली testing. मादर शोध हेलो हेलो हेलो. Come on भाई. Hey remember me. Why do I feel like this kid is a girl? भाई एज वेज भाई 90 साल का हो, क्या करेगा? एज वेज मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. एज बता दूंगा भाई, क्या हो जाएगा, एज ही तो है. बढ़िया बढ़िया भाई, बढ़िया भाई. You text just like a kid, by the way. Okay, text, in your text you can see you're a bachcha. I don't know. Or maybe you're a girl. Because the way you're texting. अरे भाई पेट दर्द कर रहा है भाई. Fuck. जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो चैन भी. Bro, I would consider 9:30 candle first presentation today. This is the first presentation. Or you could take this as well. But अभी क्या ही करें भाई, price is not even in that area. अब करी क्या लोगे, दोनों को ही मार कर लो भाई. अगर confusion है तो. Because you refer तो हो नहीं रहे. refer तो हो नहीं रहा है. बाकी चूत भाई. Fuck हो गया right. चुदी ना. Where's that guy that longed? गोरी दोस्त बनी भाई, गोरी काली सब है भाई. निकल मिलते चलो भाई. वाईफाई हग रहा है, आप भी हग लो. वाईफाई के ऊपर हग लो भाई. गोरी दोस्त काली दोस्त सफेद दोस्त सब है भाई. क्या ही हो रहा है बहन चोद.
मैं तुझे good. And it's an illusion. Like it or not, so Jupiter in Ashli.
हम ते ढूंढते बन गए. चलो भाई रिएक्ट मारते किसी पर. माँ की चूत. फक ट्रेडिंग. रिएक्ट मारते भाई. तेरी ज़मीं बन गए ओ तेरे नाम। चलो भाई, द हेल टाइलर बैठा है क्या शॉर्ट पर? गांड फटेगी भाई, इसका भी गांड फटेगा आज। गांड तो फटेगा भाई आज तो भाई, शॉर्ट सेलर्स की गांड फटेगी ब्रो। वेट, डोंट लीव एंड ऑल, ओके। चलो इसको देख लो इधर, टाइलर ही शॉर्ट। अरे वो उसने मेरा शॉट भी लिया था भाई इधर। ही वांटेड टू माय शॉट हियर, आगे जो वो भी शॉट हो गया, फक। हाइट कितनी है भाई? माय हाइट भाई इज 6'1", प्रीटी टॉल गाय, विच आई एम वेरी लकी टू बी ब्रो। क्योंकि अभी के जनरेशन में मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई लड़की लोग they fucking fuck with tall guys man। अगर आप I mean if you're fucking short and you're handsome, nobody fucking wants you, brother. But if you're ugly and you're tall, everybody wants to suck your dick, bro। भाई एस्ट्रो भी, द हेल भाई, एस्ट्रो क्या है भाई? क्या भाई आज लेट हो गया? हाँ भाई लेट हो गया, मैं जो स्टॉप आउट हो गया सुबह ही। रियली मैन, व्हाट मेक्स टाइलर थिंक ये स्टॉप आउट ये काम करेगा? ओ बिकॉज बहन का लौड़ा ईएस फॉलो कर रहा था, इसलिए तू देगा, आज देगी इसकी भी। क्या बोल रहा है? व्हाट इज ही सेइंग? ऑफ कोर्स इट विल स्टॉप यू आउट। Son, we're going to all-time highs. Really? करो भाई, स्विंग कर लो, फॉलो कर, आई मीन स्विंग कर लो बहन चो। We are actually, we could actually go to all-time highs. I mean, I'm not against that idea, to be honest, because I already said the way that ES was holding inside that range, right? And the way NQ closed last week, it was all strength conditions, to be honest. So, I mean, I'm not, and I'm not against the idea. It's this ain't my trade, okay? This ain't my trade. I'm done for the day. Okay, I'm not. I'm just fucking because charts पर कुछ है ही नहीं. See, again, I don't think it's gonna go lower. Okay, this ain't gonna go lower. It's gonna go higher, honestly. All of the see again breakaway gaps here. Opening range gap was left as a breakaway gap. I ain't selling, buddy. I ain't selling. I ain't selling, buddy. I did. And my idea selling short was that we opened up and go straight high again. We're in deep premium. अरे इसको बहन बंद करो भाई ये चूती को. So नहीं भाई, Tyler, you're gonna get stopped out, buddy. Tyler is gonna get stopped out right now. Okay, yeah. So the reason I wanted to go short was we had a monthly VIX consequent encroachment right there. When it tapped it, look at that. When you see this, you want to sell short. If that's what your model says, and my model says to sell short. Okay, we had the highest time frame PDRA right there. Fucked up. Okay, we got stopped out, and that's it. Again, I honestly also was looking at this run here. They opened like couple minutes. The first presentation was left as a breakaway gap, like new day opening gap reached upper quadrant at the daily suspension block, ripped lower to attack the sell side. Couldn't. Just another fucking day. So if you had taken a shot here, double losses done. Boom, you're done for the fucking day. You are done for the fucking day. Nah, fam. Nah. Oh, मेरे पास एक आइडिया है भाई. कोई है क्या इधर अभी भी? क्या चल रहा है भाई? Today no trade, bro. I did trade. I got stopped out. ठीक है? I got stopped out. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that. Any reason why you want to sell? I mean, I explained the reason. Okay, हो गया stop. Bro, I have an idea, भाई. हम थोड़ा gamble करते हैं भाई on stream. I'm saying audience थोड़ा बनने दो. हम करते हैं भाई प्लिंको पर gamble. ट्रेडिंग का पैसा गैम्बल करके भाई फिर हम करते हैं भाई प्रॉब्ली गेट अ कपल ऑफ अकाउंट्स फिर हम फकिंग स्ट्रीम पर हम पास करेंगे भाई गैम्बल करके पास करेंगे मजा आएगा फक या मजा तो आएगा पैसे खर्च डालने भाई पैसे की माँ की चूत भाई पैसे खर्चो बहन पैसे खर्च डालो थोड़ा काम है मेरे को फक सोना What do you think about Charmaine? Oh man, Charmaine, huge inspiration, Mr. Charmaine. I love that guy, honestly, bro. Honestly, I fucking love that guy. That's the only guy in the industry, in my opinion, that knows his shit. Very nice guy. But I've read around कि वो भाई डिस्कॉर्ड $1,200 का है, right? So he doesn't post that often. He doesn't live trade that often. Off stream भी trade कर लेता है. So I have heard a few people complaining in his comment section. मेरे को सच्चाई नहीं पता because भाई okay, let's listen to this question. भाई आप और माइकल जो आईएफईजी यूज करते हो कैसे यूज करते हो और कौन सा यूज करना है कौन सा यूज नहीं करना है और कहाँ कहाँ देखे इस आईएफईजी को एक बार ये आईएफईजी का डिटेल कॉन्सेप्ट सिखा दो एक लेक्चर ठीक है भाई लेक्चर सिखा देते भाई ठीक है अब भाई लोग समझे कि मैं छूतिया हूँ if I make a video saying what are IFEGs, right? Because मैं कर ही दूंगा, I'll do it, but I'll put it indirectly in a video, okay? It's not gonna be like what are IFEGs, but मैं indirectly I'll make a video on how to choose the best PD arrays of all time. ठीक है? That's gonna be the title of the video. He's legit. I get it. He's legit. I agree. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. You can learn a lot from him, bro. है ना, अगर अगर मैं भाई ऐसा एक वीडियो ना होगी, व्हाट आर आईपीजीज, पीपल आर गोना थिंक भाई ये क्या बिगिनर आ गया भाई मार्केट में। बट आई विल ब्रो, आई एम नॉट मेकिंग, आई एम नॉट, मैं आपको आई एम नॉट मेकिंग फन और एनीथिंग, मैं मजाक कर दो प्लीज, मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ भाई, करूंगा भाई ऑब्वियसली ब्रो, फॉलोअर्स के लिए तो कुछ भी भाई, मजाक कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। ओ वे ओ गरे फक हो गया भाई, आई वांट टू पुट दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम का लिंक ऑन डिस्कॉर्ड, बहन चोद किधर है वहां की चूत। डिस्कॉर्ड से बहुत बंदे आएंगे भाई। ओके कर दो प्लीज भाई, कर देंगे भाई, अभी करो क्या हमने बना वीडियो बनाने के लिए। ओके यू नो व्हाट, लेट मी कम बैक टू माय चार्ट्स, थोड़ा तो अभी बात कर सकते हैं इन्वर्जन्स के बारे में, ठीक है, अभी बात करें थोड़ा इन्वर्जन्स के बारे में। ओके सो अब अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं नाउ, यू नो यू ऑलरेडी नो कि लेट्स गो टू another एग्जांपल, ठीक है। Okay, let's look at this little PA here. Too late, but it's 11 a.m. You shouldn't be on your charts at 11 a.m. What does ICT say? ठीक है? Okay, I'm gonna take a little portion of price action. ठीक है? I think this is where ICT went short on Monday. नहीं. Let's go to ICT's trade Monday का. ठीक है? That's where ICT went short, right? So, by lower time frame mastery कैसे करे, entry late work, time a day buddy, time a day, time of day को prioritize. So the guy story cast podcast, you're here right? तो आपको पता ही है that this is a busy, हम उसको एक bullish fair value gap की तरह मानते हैं, right? So we'll enter that as blue, ठीक है। So this is a busy, usually इसका utilization होता है to send price इसके अंदर आए and to सेंड प्राइस हायर, ठीक है, ऐसे आए अपर हाफ को रिस्पेक्ट करे, फिर ऊपर प्राइस डीओएल की तरफ, डीओएल की तरफ भेजते प्राइस को, राइट। बट अगेन जब आपका ड्रॉ ऑन लिक्विडिटी नीचे होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल आप ये रिलेटिव को लोस को देख रहे हो इधर, ठीक है, ये रिलेटिव को लोस को आप बहुत मॉनिटर कर रहे हो, आपको देखना है कि आपका योर ये अगेन पीडीआरएस वीडीआरएस तो है, बट अगेन आपका ड्रॉ ऑन लिक्विडिटी ये है, ठीक है ना। अब जब ऐसे एक बिसी बनता है, स्पेशली ऐसे जब ये बाई साइड उठाई इधर, ठीक है, दिस इज वेरी लेम एग्जांपल बट सुनो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो बाई साइड वाज टेकन विद डिस्प्लेसमेंट। अब ये रिटेल ट्रेडर्स इसको समझेगी क्या कि ये ब्रेकआउट हो रहा है, ऊपर की तरफ ब्रेकआउट हो रहा है, तो रिटेलर्स करेंगे क्या, वो ब्रेकआउट रीटेस्ट पर लॉन्ग करेंगे, राइट। तब स्मार्ट मनी करेगी क्या, स्मार्ट मनी वांट्स टू टेक प्राइस लोअर इनटू दिस रिलेटिव इक्वल लोज इधर, है ना। तो स्मार्ट मनी इज गोना यूज दिस बिसी एज उसका कैरेक्टर हो जाएगा इनवर्स, एज सून एज वी कम बिलो इट हियर इधर, ठीक है, इसका कैरेक्टर हो गया अब इनवर्जन फेयर वैल्यू गैप, ओके। तब उसका वी आर गोना मार्क इट एज ऑरेंज, ठीक, लेट मी पुट लाइक ब्लैक कर देते हैं, इनवर्जन फेयर वैल्यू गैप हो गया, ठीक है। अब इसका इफ प्राइस वांट्स टू कम बैक इनटू इट, इट कैन, परमिटेबल है, बट यू डोंट वांट टू सी एनी बॉडीज क्लोज अबव द कॉन्सिक्वेंट एंक्रोचमेंट, ठीक है। इधर आप देखोगे ये स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल पर इसके अंदर आई, ठीक है, इट्स शॉप्ड अराउंड हियर, लुक एट द बॉडी इज रिस्पेक्टिंग द इन्वर्जन हियर, यस इट डिड क्लोज अबाउ इट हियर, बट अगेन कहां गई क्या, ये क्या है, व्हाट इज दिस, दैट्स अ fair value gap implied as a SIBI, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So it did overshoot, but ये PDRA ने हमको we kept it lower. उसके बाद you want to see immediately ये consequent encroachment, इसके हाफ के नीचे बॉडी आ जाए, बॉडी आई इधर, टच किया, लीव किया, ठीक है, लीव करने के बाद अगेन once if it wants to come back you want to see इसके नीचे रहे, बहुत अग्रेसिवली ऊपर गई, बॉडी थोड़ा क्लोज हुआ, यू हैव टू कंसिडर दैट एज मोहाक, बट अगेन हम ये इनएफिशिएंसी के अंदर है, ठीक है, हम ये इनएफिशिएंसी के अंदर है, सो यू कैन सी दैट दैट इनएफिशिएंसी वो रिस्पेक्टेड, फिर हम जल्दी से आगे उसके बिलो, राइट? सो दैट्स इनवर्जन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर एक और एग्जाम्पल अगर दिखाओ, यही चार्ट पर, यही चार्ट पर, यही पीए पर यू कैन लुक एट, ये जो है दिस इज, ये वाला मैं यूज कर रहा हूं बिकॉज इफ आई एम सेलिंग शॉर्ट हियर, आई वांट, अगर मेरा डीओएल नीचे है तो मैं मेरी डीओएल की तरफ जो बीसी है उसको भी पकड़ूंगा, मेरे डीओएल के ऑपोजिट साइड जो स्टॉप हंट किया है उसको भी लूंगा, तो ऑल ऑफ दैट इज गेटिंग यूज्ड हियर। ऑन माय वे लोअर जब ये नीचे जा रही है, मैं ये बीसी को भी चूज करूंगा इधर, इसके नीचे क्लोज हुई इधर, तो क्या हो गया, वो इनवर्जन फेयर वैल्यू गैप हो गया, है ना? तो इनवर्जन का रूल क्या है, इफ इट कम्स बैक द बॉडी शुड स्टे बिलो द कॉन्सिक्वेंट इंक्रोचमेंट, बॉडीज इधर भी स्टे किया, राइट? ऐसे जैसे ऊपर गई वैसे नीचे आई, ठीक है? यहां बना क्या है, व्हाट इज दिस, दैट्स एन इनवर्जन फेयर वैल्यू गैप, दैट्स अ बिसी, ठीक है? वो हो गया, इसके अंदर क्लोज होने के बाद व्हाट डज दैट बिकम, inversion. So any back return into it, you want to see the body stay below it, फिर body stay, kept the bodies below, ठीक है? फिर गिरी towards our sell side, ठीक है? Now that's how you use inversion fair value gaps. In market maker buy model वाले fair value gaps को आप market maker sell model में use करोगे, ठीक है? That's it, bro. I hope the guy was here, man. I hope the fucking guy was here. Tyler got his ass wrecked there. बीनी विच हमारे बीनी विच मने आने मुंडिया मने आने जानते बड़े। हाँ दादा समझ लिया, थैंक यू। अब वीडियो में भी मैं बता दूंगा भाई, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट ब्रो। July 16 new day opening gap delivered. Let me check, एक मिनट दो भाई। This guy got stopped out. हाँ अब ये कर लो। Bro, I'm actually watching people stream cause मेरे को प्राइस एक्शन में दिलचस्पी है नहीं, थोड़ा बोरिंग सा है। तो आई मीन मूव हो गया इतना, अब क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट करे। अब स्पीकिंग अ साइड, अगर देखो द मोमेंट यू कैन फ्रेम बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द मार्केट, क्या करना चाहिए, कुछ नहीं करना चाहिए, हम बंद करके घर जाते हैं ना। भाई आप चेन्नई से हो? नहीं 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 नहीं, हम चेन्नई से नहीं है भाई, हम चेन्नई से नहीं है भाई। गेस वेस कर लो भाई, जगह तो भाई। एक गाना बताओ भाई, लेट मी लिसन टू सम बॉलीवुड भाई, गाना वाना सुनते हैं भाई, शोर। What is he saying? Bhai, I feel really bad for this guy. He's been on a big losing streak these days.
The unfilled gaps happening here. I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled. I will be watching it as we roll into lunch, maybe session slash maybe that our candle. Here I will look, take it on 5 minutes. But until that happens, probably just have to avoid 5 minutes.
बिहारी बहन की चूत।
Definitely staying off.
तो हेल, ये किसने बताया?
That is really it, chat. Appreciate you.
आधा भाई। ये किसने बताया? बैंड, ये किसने बताया?
That's the thing. How am I sitting here?
Wait a minute.
I can take like 5 losses to make up for.
Yeah.
I think that's why sometimes I get so bad because they spotted their way up and then they get. For spotting in full boarding. Like, what do you?
वही तो भाई मेरे स्ट्रीम से भाई don't take trade ideas, ठीक है? You're just you're ruining your own progress. Oh shit! That was funny, bro. That was hilarious. Date, why?
I'm still expecting lower. All right, man.
छोड़ो भाई. छोड़ो भाई. मैं अभी वहाँ नहीं रहता हूँ.
So, pretty much best opportunity.
I don't live there, buddy. Just leave it. छोड़ो भाई. इंडिया आ रहा हूँ, जल्दी आ रहा हूँ भाई. मैं बैंगलोर आ रहा हूँ. कृष्णदास का कॉन्सर्ट है. मेरे को देखना है. Bro, start learning core content, brother. सीधा ICT के चैनल चले जाओ भाई. पागल वागल हो गए हो क्या? मिलते हैं भाई. मीटअप करेंगे भाई. थोड़ा बंदे बनने दो. भाई इंडिया में लेकिन कहाँ रहते थे? सीक्रेट है बड़ी सीक्रेट. What does this guy do? इसका भी थोड़ा देख लेते हैं. Gatti. He went long. Amazing. Did he? Oh, I like how he didn't trust that move. Oh, he faded it, bro. He faded it. But yeah. Where should I start from, live account or tape reading? For how much time? Ain't no way you're touching live account, bro. For at least 6 months, you have to be profitable on your paper account. If you consider the OTA range come back somewhere around the first price, if price comes down to it and shows bullish reversal confidence, should we enter in PM session or just short towards that, man? Like, now you're gonna come back, you're gonna wait for it back to dump, and then look for higher. You know what's gonna happen? They literally come here, show that like it's gonna go higher, right? That'll trick people longs into this idea that you said, right? And then they're gonna rip it up lower again towards the sell side here, or of the sell side here. So, because we do have these relative equal lows again, but we are just too far. Look where the low day was formed. Low day was formed in. It was before 8 o'clock. It was after 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9:30, 8:50 here. Where's London lows? London lows was formed at 1 a.m., 2 a.m. there. What the fuck? ये क्या हो गया भाई? Fucking hell. Oh fuck. Bro, this was Lumi trades. Are you kind of spiritual by any chance? Oh yeah, now it's working, right? This guy is asking the right questions. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Precision NQ. You got some ball knowledge, brother. Go through core content ICT. Yes. Go to core content, man. By आपके according NQ down क्यों नहीं गिरा? By मेरे according NQ down क्यों नहीं गिरा? You want the honest answer? I'll show you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you, brother. Bro, I don't like that word spiritual, honestly. If you really want to talk about, I don't like that word spiritual. The way that people have made that into. Bro, मेरे according. Oh, right. Crazy. You're the guy that would said you're in love with me, right? I mean, I appreciate it, brother. I'm just gonna take it as a regular love. So the reason that we switched bullish on NQ, this was that screenshot I was using for my weekly outlook. कुछ भी नया नहीं है. Okay? यहाँ old low था. मैंने कहा कि I want to see कि मंडे को क्या करता है. I don't want to see any close above. कौन से levels मैंने दिखाए थे? मैंने ये weekly wick का कौन से encroachment दिखाया था इधर, right? So the moment daily पर we closed here, the whole idea of short price हो गया fuck, because हमारे पास ये buy side पड़ा है inside this inefficiency, ठीक है? So that becomes a drawn liquidity, which I clearly missed because at open the DOL was hit, ठीक है? The DOL was hit, so anticipating कि DOL was hit, मेरा तो बनता है क्या? Short बनता है. I went short here and I got stopped out, right? तो क्योंकि also because of the fact that ES has taken all time highs, because अगर आप ES देखोगे, मैंने कहा था that we are going to watch this imbalance on ES and its quadrants. Once we got a close above it on Friday, फिर हमने open किया above the upper quadrant. ये सब bullish signatures है, ठीक है? New week opening gap, वो सब it was left open. Everything is a bullish signature. And then we had relative equal highs here. अगर मैं adjustment को off कर दूँ तो, so again the buy side was here and then the relative equal highs were here. So these two pools of buy side were taken today. अब यहाँ तो lower manipulation नहीं था. So what does that say again? There is no clear wick here. बहुत strong है. They just used this breaker. They didn't even use that bloody breaker, man. I can use this mitigation here. Mitigation. I don't know what the fuck that is, but order block or some shit. Yo, what's up, bro? Anand Bhai OG in the chat. So, and then we had all relative all-time highs here. Like if you want to draw 724, we have 8,000 round figure somewhere around here. I mean, that's 8,000, right? And on NQ, it's just really expanding higher. Like it's just gonna keep doing it, I guess. So we have buy side relative, again, we have relative equal highs here. All right, now relative equal highs there. This was taken. Hold high. So okay. I'm gonna take this off. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take that off. Now watch some magic here. Okay. I'm watching price like this. I'm gonna toggle the settlement off one time. Okay, and I'm gonna toggle it on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Okay, I don't see anything much except this breaker. इधर थोड़ा छोटा बड़ा हो रहा है. There is a wick there, and okay, nothing much. So what I'm gonna do is, You see how on ES I've taken this whole imbalance here. Oh, that's fucked. That's fucked. Okay, that's not fucked at all. Right. Okay. On ES I've taken the whole imbalance. भैया 1 day per CIST हो जाएगा ना आज का कैंडल क्लोज होने के बाद. Technically, yeah. Technically. Okay, so you're gonna what you're gonna do? What are you gonna do? Not what you're gonna do. What are you gonna do? You're gonna do. What are you gonna do? What you're gonna do. So what you're gonna do is अरे बहन चो मेरे को PDA I'm watching. So we can take this here. This whole thing here because there's no gap here. अगर कोई gap that I would take the whole thing, but I'm gonna take this here. Okay. I'm gonna extend that through. That's our. This is our new day opening gap, new week opening gap, but I'm gonna take the whole imbalance. Okay. I'm gonna give it. Let's give it that. Okay, so that's our minus daily inversion. Okay, so now you want to see we have a pool of buy side relative equal highs right inside that. Okay, and I want to see if there is any volume imbalance in here. Not really. All right. So come and drop it into a 15. So all of this is going to start acting as a inversion array. If we have switched bearish, until now it's an inversion array, so that we're going to keep it orange, right? So so this becomes an inversion bullish array. That is an inversion bearish. Bearish array, fucking bullish, but it's inversion. Even though only HRL unequalized on daily time frame. Plus we do have new daily BC and rip over video. There is no PU marrying movement is already on all time highs. We got cooked. Only LRL equalized on daily time frame. We do have. Yup. That's the whole point, right? That's the whole point when I said initially that I need some water, man. I'll make a good fucking point. Give me a second. So yeah. See how this guy knows everything? See how this guy just typed out everything? Like I can type that out too. Like see, no matter, that's what I was saying initially, right? I get it. I understand. Oh fuck, give me a second. So like you can be like we're super bullish, right? Like one of the examples, well, if we look at the 15-minute chart, right? Now the way we opened, see how that daily order blocks mean threshold was held last day, and then we saw that Thursday and fucking Friday we had expanded higher. Friday we got beautiful shorts, but it stopped there, couldn't reach the equilibrium of this dealing range. ठीक है, Thursday का dealing range ES पर पहुंचा. For example, if I show you on ES, the equilibrium on ES was reached here, and then we used that array, that new week opening gap, and also busy, it's like a busy, right? As a busy first utilization to send price lower. वहाँ से we couldn't really get any lower price. So ES तो all time highs पहुँच गई है, right? It's also यहाँ हमारे पास एक previous monthly low पर एक SMT भी है. So we have an SMT at previous monthly low. All of that. See, no matter how much of this you can put into concepts, the moment when it comes to make money, right? When you're off of the NQ chart and you're on the MNQ chart where you're executing, right? This was my chart I executed on, right? When you're executing, that only matters whatever I said, Joe. I said, blah 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 blah. Again, the reason for going short was because we reached the premium. We had a discount opening range gap below, and this is that on MNQ. This is that monthly wicks, premium wicks, consequent encroachment, and we had taken relative equal highs. We were inside a daily fucking suspension block, I guess. Yeah, I mean we were above it, but again, I could consider that premium because ये दो PD रहे, right? I can even, so the guy was asking event horizon. You can mark the half between both the PD arrays and you can get the event horizon that way. So ये जो एक daily suspension block है और ये जो हमारा daily, what is this, SIBI, right? You can mark its half, so that becomes your event horizon. ठीक है, that it can work any ways. वो कुछ भी event horizon is very It's a very flexible tool. You can use it in multiple ways. Half between two new day opening gaps, half between two new week opening gaps, half between two pools of liquidity, half between two pools of PD rate. I mean two PD arrays. Everything. Two gaps. Everything, brother. So we reached that, and so I was saying that all of that only matters until. Fuck. Yeah. So all of that only matters up until here, right? वो सब आपने analyze किया, आपने इधर दबाया button. Okay, you went short. My idea was going short, right? And you've like, okay, this is your, first partial runner, blah blah blah. We had previous new video opening. I was anticipating इसके नीचे आए. Okay. All of that only matters up until the moment you push buttons. ठीक है? After you push buttons and you set your stop, take profit, bro, all of that fucking disappears. None of that matters, okay? None of that matters because you've already entered a position and you've submitted the control over probability, right? Over your model that you have, a probable chance of taking a winner, okay? That you have this win rate on, that you've submitted to the market makers, however they want to run it, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to get into all that because you don't know for a fact that you don't know how they're going to print the next fucking candle. You just don't know. Isko samjho. This is, if people are struggling with psychology, this is what you want to listen. You just do not know, no matter how fucking good you are. Okay? No matter how good you are, you just don't know after entering how the next 1 minute candle is going to print. Two possibilities. It will either work out in your favor or against your favor. And you stop it, you're done. Because you submitted here. Once your stop gets hit, right? Let's talk about stop outs. Once your stop gets hit, now you're not going to bring in, oh, the stops were hit. Now I want to see another, maybe that was a stop hunt. I want to see another pool of buy side taken here. I want to short again. No, now you're again trading for the first loss. You're bringing in all your analysis again. Other markets. See, when I said that none of that matters, it doesn't. Trading and analyzing is a very different thing. A trader is going to stop here. The analyzer is going to be like, oh, he's going to fucking sit on the analysis, blah, blah. But the trader in you, the fucking executor, the trader in you is done for the day. He doesn't execute. Dodgy took. Okay, let's go on X. X देखना है किसी को? Who wants to react to X? Oh my god, look at Dodgy. Look at Dodgy, brother. He did long. First one left equalize. Wait a minute. Look at that. So he took this long. Oh my god, he did, eh? Where I went short, he went long. ICT's yesterday's market on close macro. I don't know how he does it. Fuck's sake. Fearing he took a stop out yesterday, but he entered again. I wasn't that long as well, right? पूरे पकड़े थे हमने. Oh, what the hell? भाई देखना भाई. Look at this, okay? Boom! देखा भाई, pancho. Fuck. Again. ऐसे पकड़ा, okay? Now he's ducked it. He's covering, but he takes his left knee, bang on to the right eye, man. Right eye, boom. Oh, again, bro, right eye. See, the thing about UFC is, brother, you gotta pick up side of the body part and fuck it up, bro. If you're picking a left thigh, like the left thigh, side of the thigh, bro, fuck that thigh up, bro. I'm saying, man. Fuck that thigh up throughout the entire game. And you're gonna be like, you're gonna, and then, fuck, he's probably gonna, you're gonna fuck it up him. Yeah, comment में क्या हो रहा है? Brother, can you also explain about yesterday long? We had new week opening gap. Why couldn't we fill it? And when to know that price may shift without filling it? Right, it's literally in front of you. It's literally in front of you. मैं दिखाऊं? It's in front of you. This was our new week opening gap. Okay. Well, where the fuck is new week opening gap? I'll show you on the yesterday ka chart which I on executed was this chart. So I'll show you the reason. What are new week opening gaps, by the way? What do they act as? They act as fair value gaps. You know that for a fact, okay? New week opening gaps act as fair value gaps, okay? That's a fact, right? So this area is a fair value gap, okay? Oh, fuck, man. Bro, I need a guy. I wanna, oh, shit, I'm sorry. Yep, let me fix it up. There we go. So, we have this new week opening gap. Yeah, our new week opening gap. Let me show you for a little bit more clarity. This is our new week opening gap, right? We have our Friday's high here and London high, Asia high, which were relatively equal high. Just saying they are relatively equal. Okay? Again, we have relatively equal lows here as well. But which is more relative? Is this and this more relative, or this and this is more relative? I think this and this is more relative. Okay? They are more clean. Relative means clean. Relative means very close proximity. Relative का मतलब क्या होता है? You've learned physics, right? So, okay, this acts as a fair value gap. You have a pool of buy side. Pool of buy side is here. Okay? Pool of sell side is here. All right, no worries. Pool of sell side is also there. You're trading the 1 minute, right? You're trading the 1 minute. Very certain, very fact, very core here, because 1 minute mein hai bhai kuch. There is something in 1 minute. So this is a fair value gap. Okay? Market opens, goes a little bit higher, comes down, idhar tak aayi. So this much portion of your is unfilled, right? Also, इसके पीछे एक और बॉक्स दिख रहा है, थोड़ा डार्क बॉक्स है. ये एक है न्यू वीक ओपनिंग गैप. दैट्स आवर करंट वीक्स न्यू वीक ओपनिंग गैप, ग्रे बॉक्स. ठीक है, इसके पीछे एक और एक है, विच इज दिस वन. नो, ये है हमारा कल का. इसके पीछे ये एक और है, दिस वन राइट हियर, दिस वन, राइट. सो दीज आर टू न्यू वीक ओपनिंग गैप्स, राइट. यहां व्हाट इज दिस? इधर तक स्टॉप हुई. ओके, इट स्टॉप्ड राइट देयर. यू आर गिविंग द मार्केट अ कपल ऑफ मिनट्स. ठीक है, इतना it left unfilled. So एक busy का, when a busy left gets left as unfilled, what does it show? Strength. Okay, now you've taken your current week's new week opening gap and you've also marked its quadrants right there. Let me adjust the color because ये बहुत beginner सा लग रहा है, graffiti थोड़ा ज्यादा है. I would go for these. ठीक है, ये हमारा 2 new week opening gap है. हमने उसके quadrants भी mark किए इधर. ठीक है, we marked its quadrants right there. So look at that, lower quadrant पर आई, wick ऐसे की, the next candle opens जल्दी आ गई upper quadrant के पास. ठीक है, now you're only watching price. ठीक है, next candle opens up, trades lower, bang, boom, ये दिख गया आपको सामने, literally real time at 9:35. it gives you the first presentation, rips through the consequent encroachment of that new week opening gap. जब BC के consequent encroachment से rip हो जाता है, what do we expect? We expect higher prices, है ना. हमारा pool of buy side किधर है? This is our pool of buy side, right? And then trades back into the fair value gap. Permittable, okay, permittable है. It trades into it. या ये run कितना गंदा है? Don't short in here, ठीक है? या there is nothing to short, going short here, nothing. Take that, buy that, and then you hold. So that was yesterday's trade. Bro, 1 hour was formed after the fact that your trade was made, after your take profit was made. Okay, now you're predicting this before it happens. In hindsight, it looks like a wick, right? Which is on today. If you're watching it today, yes, that's a bullish signature, but you cannot see it yesterday, right? So yesterday when you're trading this is what you're going to look at. Look at how the consequent encroachment was respected there. Biggest time is fractal. The low time frame builds the higher time frame. And we deliver. That was it. Now we're here. We're inside 1133. What is that? That's our lunch timing. Where our lunch starts. Too far extended, man. Too far extended. See, open is here. We look at an implied dealing range. Too far up. If I want a short, I don't know, man. I would wait. I would honestly wait. This, if I want a short, if depends on where my draw is, right? I'm gonna look at this low, which is very unlikely, but maybe it could. Or if I wanna do this from here, so I would expect कि इस पे आए भाई, like show some speed and distance here. Somewhere around here is where I would want to look for shorts, right? Somewhere around here, and I would actually look at the sell side in here. Let's see. Really, did we? Did we, brother? Did we? Here, right? I don't think so. Oh yeah, I think so. I think so. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ah, you're right. You're right. Oh yeah, it was. It was. Okay, fine. That's a good one. That's a good one, brother. That's a good one. See, there is no point in looking for shots too far up here. You would want to wait. This is where you want to look for shots. Too early might fuck you up. भाई आरआर फिक्स रखना चाहिए या डायनामिक और रिस्क मैनेजमेंट क्या रखे ब्रो आई मीन कीप इट एटलीस्ट यू नो इफ यू ट्रेडिंग प्रॉप एंड ऑल 2 आवर्स से ज़्यादा रखो फिर फ्लेक्सिबल हो जा डिपेंड्स ऑन द डे बट ज़्यादा उसके बारे में सोचो मत ट्राई टू एग्जिट एट द राइट प्लेस एंड द रॉन्ग यू नो राइट पूल्स लिक्विडिटी उसको फोकस करो इंस्टेड ऑफ द मनी दैट इट मेक्स यू तो ये फ्लेक्सिबल ही रखो भाई depends on the condition as well. अगर condition थोड़ा fucked है and you would wanna be like जल्दी exit करो भाई 2 hour पर वहाँ की चूत नहीं चाहिए थी यार अपना रूल बनाओ भाई intuition पर खेलो intuition spontaneity पर खेलो let the subconscious do the heavy lifting you cannot there is no you cannot force anything it's all your subconscious अगर आप accounts blow कर रहे हो it's not you brother it's your subconscious again there's no difference between the both but again there's a part of you that wants quick money blah 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 that's why you blow accounts अगर आप rules follow करने लगोगे then you're not following the rules are just getting followed in your brain right so you've trained your brain in a way to do it bro propulsion block थोड़ा easy way से बोलिए ना okay so we're gonna pick an order block this is an order block right so once we tap into this here opening price right there and the next candle opens up trades lower trades higher closes below it now this becomes a propulsion block right there okay now if we are bullish we don't want to see the uh, half of the propulsion block to get filled okay did it come to the half no it stopped right at the upper octane there and which is again a bullish signature and it goes lower I could have paid a little more attention which is fine yeah you wouldn't want to any day you wouldn't anyway want to you wouldn't want to be on the charts today that's my answer bro because this is our DOL right here on Instagram give it a look Come back to X, man. Fuck trading, man. बंद करो भाई. Let's watch this. Oh! Bro, he fucked his right eye, okay? मेरा भी right eye लगा है भाई. I don't know, man. मेरा भी right eye को ही लगा है, man. Shows नींद में भाई. It's fucked up, man. It got a cut there, man. Shows. इतना जोर से गिरा भाई. Oh, again, right jaw भाई. Right jaw को मार. Fuck. Oh. Bro, see how he's only attacking the right side? Again, always pick one model and usko hi attack karo. See, again, it's everywhere, brother. The analogies are everywhere. Oh. 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 Body shot. Again, bro, right knee fuck कर दिया भाई. Right knee इसका right eye को fucked है. See how it's covering it? Done. He's done, bro. Oh my god. Oh.
It's the beginning of the end. They'll try taking a close look. The nightmare is just that.
Oh my god. Ferrari's fucked him up. He randomly met Messi coming out of the store. Oh, Pancho. He's in a Cadillac. It's not a... Is it? Is it a... It is, I guess. Anyway, guys, I think time हो गया है. How long has it been? 80 minutes हो गए. 1.5 hours हो गए. So, I think it's time to go. Look at 15 June. Yeah. Yeah. That's there. Yeah, this is Dixie, brother. Oh, man, showed. Green banda, right? There you go, man. I can see it, man. It's here. Right? Ye wala, right? Close to open.
अगर तुम जीवन में शांत होना सीखते हैं, तुम एक चीज से जागे, तुम हमेशा शांत.
All right, boys. I think it's time to get out of here. ठीक है? वही तो है भाई. Isn't this the one? 15th June, right? Yeah, this is the one. The gap, brother. Oh, that's a bigger gap, I guess. Wrong. All right, man. Take it easy, guys. Thanks for joining. Kal karte hain. On NQ, there's gonna be a DOL on NQ, right? All time at 32,000 bhi upar hi hai. All right. So again, I think it's time to say goodbye to our shorts. Take it easy, boys. Thanks for joining. I'm gonna play some music here. मेरे को थोड़े गाने सुनने हैं भाई. So I'm gonna play some good music and I'm gonna get the hell out of here. क्या ही सुनने हैं भाई. I don't want copyright, brother. Fuck हो जाता है. Live. Na 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 na. Let's go. Later, words describe that you're different. Sleep.